here at Chesterfield DPW for the Chesterfield Open House. I'm here with Gary. How you doing, Gary?
All right, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. Now, do you think that using Miss Dig helps keep people safe when they do excavation?
Oh yeah, 100%. 100%.
What do you think that it is about Miss Dig that helps keep them safe?
Well, just so you know, underground, you can't see underground, so you got to call so they can come out and mark it, so it keeps everybody safe.
That's what's up. Now, do you know the number to call to reach Miss Dig?
811.
There you go, 811. That's all you got to do. Dial 811 and you call. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you for watching Miss Dig's What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.